Hello everyone, welcome to the Richard CHANEY channel. I'm Richard CHANEY. Today we got thunderstorms, and we got thunderstorms for the next 2 or 3 days, and hot temperatures. Not looking forward to that. The thunderstorms today are supposed to be severe, and a lot of lightning, thunder, rain, wind, hail. Not looking forward to it. But what can we do? For those of you that's new to the channel, I do collection videos here. And if you've enjoyed, give this video a thumbs up. Refer this channel to one of your friends, relatives. Don't matter who, as long as you share the news. Right now I'm thinking up some good ideas for future videos. If you have any suggestions on any video that you want me to do, let me know down in the comments, and I'll try my best to show you a good LP vinyl record, cassette, CD, or DVD movie. So, like I said, let me know down in the comments what record, CD, DVD, or cassette you want to see. And if I have that certain cassette, record, or DVD, or cassette, I'll show it to you. If I don't, when I do get it, I'll show it to you. Now, each item is in mint condition. Mint condition. Out of all of the items, I try my best to keep them in mint condition. In order to have nice items, you've got to keep them in mint condition at all times. All times. That's right, folks. You've got to keep them in mint condition at all times. That's the only way you can do it. The only way you can do it. Each month I'll show you a new item, but that will be at the end of each and every month, plus the items I still have yet to show. Tonight I wanted to talk a little bit about the storms, which is today. Now, where I got tonight, it's supposed to storm tonight, is what I'm referring as, and it's supposed to storm this evening. So each item that I show, I've gotten for birthdays, Christmases. My dad's given me some before he passed, and my mom's given me some, sisters, and nephews. And some I've collected over the years, and some I've bought just here recently. For those of you that's joining, always remember to like, share, subscribe. If you're new to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.